Rusty, a golden retriever with sun-kissed fur, joyously leaps through the forest, his tail a blur of happiness. Sunlight paints shifting patterns on the forest floor as Rusty's paws softly tread on the fallen leaves. A bright red ball appears, a beacon of playful opportunity amidst the trees. Intrigued, Rusty nudges the ball with his nose. It rolls away, beckoning him deeper into the woods. The game leads him further from the familiar path, deeper into the enchanting forest. Rusty bounds into a forest clearing, chasing the errant ball with playful abandon. The ball halts abruptly, its journey's end signaling an unexpected encounter. Rusty's gaze lifts, curiosity turning to surprise, as he meets the intense stare of a wild cat. A tense silence hangs in the air as dog and cat assess each other, instincts flaring. Cautiously, Rusty wags his tail, a gesture of goodwill amidst the forest's quiet drama. His eyes shine with innocent curiosity, a silent invitation to play defying the wild's inherent caution. In the forest clearing, the wildcat softens its gaze, drawn in by Rusty's gentle invitation. Rusty nudges the ball with his nose, a playful spark in his eyes, urging the cat to join him. The cat bats at the ball, and a chase begins, their initial caution melting away with each leap. Joyful camaraderie fills the clearing as the unlikely friends frolic, their bond a testament to newfound friendship.